Hello everybody. Today you're going to learn how you can clean up your data inside your SuiteCRM system by merging duplicate data records. Okay, so let's go. So duplicate records are very harmful for your whole business. Let's go through a couple of examples. For instance, let's start at the very end, basically in the reporting. So you want to report how many contacts you've got or how many accounts you've got, and then of course if you allow duplicates in your system, and then you will have wrong numbers to report. Or if you check the campaigns, which campaign has been how successful, and then you've got duplicates there as well, and then of course the numbers will be off. And then let's stay with campaigns and move to the marketing. If you've got campaigns that are being sent out to your customers and you've got like 2 contacts inside one campaign, and then this contact will receive the communication twice, which looks basically really odd. At the same time, let's move to sales, and maybe you've got something like phone calls, sales calls, and invoices that you create around accounts. And then one salesperson is using account 1 and the other salesperson is using account 2 for adding invoices. So then you never know, like, do you have duplicate invoices as well, or do all invoices belong to one or something? So it just makes everything much more complicated. And if you're integrating other software systems like marketing automation, ERP systems, e-commerce, or whatever, and there you don't allow duplicate contacts or duplicate records, and then it makes the integration just impossible. So therefore, you will run into all sorts of problems you can't imagine. Like, duplicates is one of the most challenging issues in most of the projects where it has been allowed from the beginning on. So try to, at the beginning, avoid duplicates if you can avoid them in any way. So, and let's look at how duplicates could manifest or look like. So I'm working with the data. I don't see anything very obvious here, but if I am working with the data to find exactly this one here, it looks suspicious already. So we've got 3 companies, all called BH Edwards, and there's 1 in Ohio and 2 in Alabama. So of course this could be that there are 2 office locations in Alabama, but if I look at the phone number and the email address, that seems to me clearly to be a duplicate record. So therefore, we have to analyze now, because now it already happened. We have duplicates, just the name is different. So technically, it's not a duplicate. The system won't be able to recognize it automatically as a duplicate. And therefore, we have to do some analysis on the data that we already have inside our system. So first of all, I open both records, and then I see this looks good with the ink in the name here, because there are multiple contacts and there are like already activities, bugs and everything. So therefore I see that there's a history. People, or like the team, has been working with this one already, and I see that it contains in total 6 contacts, sorry. And there is something in timeline as well. Now let's look at the other one. It doesn't contain as much as it seems, but still there's a contact inside. So here we've got the 1 contact on this one. So it looks a bit odd. Then I want to check the contact as well, whether the contact already has some interaction. And yes, it seems like. So here we've got a note. Maybe there are calls or whatever on this contact. So now I see a bigger challenge arising, because we've got like actively being worked on data records of companies, which we need to merge. Fortunately, and let's check this out, SuiteCRM has out of the box a feature for this. So if you found duplicates and could put them beside each other or above each other, and then mark them, select them here, and then here we've got a merge option. So if you go to this one here, and then you will see you've got like several columns where you've got your differences displayed or visualized. So you can see here my name of the company that I basically want to keep because there are more contacts inside is this one, Edwards Inc. And there's the duplicate which is missing the Inc. in the name. So now you can decide which one you want to take, which value here. For instance, I could take this one and simply overwrite the goal, the target, the winner basically. But I want to keep in the winner this one here, and the rest, since it was a copy, therefore it's not very obvious that there are many differences, but for the naming here, that's the most obvious one. So you can go through all the rows here, check, test, correct data, improve data, and then save, merge. And now you will first be asked, do you really want to proceed? Yes, we want to. And now it will be reloaded on the winner company. So if you go here now, you see that the contact has been added as well. So that looks good because we don't have to manually change the contact to the new or to the future winner account. But instead of this, SuiteCRM will take care of this automatically. So I just have to say I want to merge this one, and everything which is related, which is relevant to you, will just be accumulated or created inside the winning company here. And now we can check the contact as well. So this was the contact working in Edwards, so in the loser record basically. But before I reloaded the contact, now I'm reloading the contact, and you see it works as well. So the contact, as you've already seen the preview in the sub panel of the accounts, that the contact is now working in the correct or associated with the correct company, including its timeline. So everything which is like calls, notes, meetings, and so on, you will have this all here. So SuiteCRM will take care of this one for you. You will have a full merge. That means before deleting anything, it will correct the data, correct the related data, and will have everything being displayed in the winning record here, because now you can see we've got the 7 contacts, and on the 7 contacts we've got all their communication, interaction, and timeline stuff. So what happened to the losing company? That has been soft deleted. That means the CRM system has one column in the database which is deleted. This has been set to 1 now, meaning the user interface here will just not show everything which is soft deleted. And now it's up to you to decide whether or how often you want to remove the soft delete from your database. There's a database prune job inside your scheduler, and there you can configure, okay, once a month, it's totally fine to delete everything from your bin, from your deleted database tables. So therefore, basically you should not keep the data inside a soft deleted state unless there's a very good reason for it. So it would be simply fine to switch on the scheduler and activate the prune job there. But overall, you've seen how you can clean your data, make full use of it. Do this regularly in case you've got incoming data which provides duplicates. Usually before the import, pay attention to that you don't create any duplicates. During the import, SuiteCRM will check as well, but the importing columns for checking this is a bit limited. So it could be humans can recognize it as a duplicate, but not the computer, because you have to have very careful matches here. And then if it really happened, use this merge functionality and you will be able to merge the 2, 3 or more records that you've got inside your SuiteCRM, which just present duplicate data. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for this video. See you next time. Bye.